Google is announcing the Pixel 8a today ahead of I/O 2024, the $499 for 128GB and $559 for 256GB mid-ranger launching on May 14th, the company's latest A-series device and the most affordable option in the Pixel 8 lineup. The Pixel 8a features an updated design over its predecessor that is more in line with the new Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Gone are the squared-off edges, replaced by more rounded corners. The plastic back and aluminum frame have a smooth matte texture, and the front has Corning's Gorilla Glass 3. The phone is IP67 dust and water-resistant. The phone comes in 4 colors. The Pixel 8a features a new 6.1-inch OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The display can go up to 1400 nits while playing back HDR content with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 chipset with Titan M2 security coprocessor. There is 8GB of LPDDR5X memory and you get a choice of 128GB or 256GB UFS 3.1 storage and boots Android 14. It gets Google's same 7-year OS upgrade promise. The phone will also get other Google exclusive features such as Circle to Search, Pixel Call Assist, Audio Emoji, and Gemini. The Pixel 8a has a dual camera system on the back consisting of a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. On the front is a 13-megapixel shooter. The phone has a 4,492 mAh battery, which Google claims offers 24-plus-hour battery life. There's 18W of wired fast charging and Qi wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.